Hello friend, today we are just going to discuss about the Seaborn library. Seaborn library also a library by which we can generate a graph with the help of the data. Here as we had lots of video we can see lots of concept we have go through related to the pandas, matplot libraries. This library we already use and we had worked with this one. Now the time is to do some R&D on the Seaborn libraries. So for that, once again, we need to install the Seaborn library. So how we will install the Seaborn library? I will provide the command. If you want, then please comment me. I will provide the command how we can run in the terminal, what command we need to run it. And then once you will run that command on your terminal, then after that you will able to mm, able to import that Seaborn library, right? So after once you run the command and import the Seaborn library, now the point is how we can use that Seaborn library, right? So first of all, as I told you, this is also useful to generate the graph, right? So generating graph, it's very important that you have our data. So to generate the data, what we are doing, we are going to create the data dictionary. From here, I am creating the data dictionary. In data dictionary, what will happen? We will providing four column. One is the name, Aman, Rahul, Neha, Priya. And another column is the department IT, HR, and IT finance and salary having 50,000, 45,000, 60,000, 52,000, right? Age is 25, 28, 24, and 29, right? Once we are going to convert in data frame our tabular format of the data dictionary, it will look like means I am writing line number 14 to print the data. So this will convert into I hope if you are coming from my previous video to then previous video then yes you will able to see are you able to you know very well how we generate the data, right? So I'm printing line number 14 the tabular format data as well as now the point is how we can use the generate the graph. We put it to that. So what we have to do, let me cut it and run the application. Once I am going to run, it will give you a tabular data, right? This is the data. Now just generate the plot. So C1 plotting the graph, you can see on x-axis I am directly putting the department, y-axis I am putting directly salary, and data from where we will get. So data we are coming from this data source. That is this one data. Right? And then plot dot. Let me run it. Yep, you can see this is the department based salary. I hope you can understand, but still, if you have any doubt, you can comment. I will provide you in detail all these things. Also, if you want this file, comment me. I will share this file on your mail ID. Comment your personal ID. I will provide on that. Thank you for watching.